Sequla Vas buat salam prathmik sabaru yang bayamci shanti mogaci durmedam tri bahasu ani
We have garbage as one of our main issues. Sewage is one of our main issues. We have the stench of sewage, raw sewage. This is the refuse from human bodies, which us human beings have to see, smell every day next to the district hospital, next to presentation, where small children are supposed to be studying. These are the issues which we will be solving through TMC with the help of our caliber, with the help of our brains, with the help of our effort. These are the things which are going to be there in our local manifesto. And there are other things also.
To create garbage into fertilizer. And the second part is the sewerage. The sewerage which is there in certain places which is creating pollution, we are going to take action. And for which we have not just made promises, but we have made budgetary provision of hundreds of crores. I don't have the figures right now with me, but if I'm not mistaken, it is 200 crores annually. And for the other thing is 300 crores annually. And there is certain scheme by the government of India to make the area green. So as a member of Rajya Sabha, I have already raised these issues on my maiden speech, and I will make sure the money which is available for the state, with the help of the TMC government and the government of India schemes, we will make sure within 2 or 3 years we will solve this problem.
I'm not sure I understood that.